I love Saturdays. I love fabrics, so it can't get any better. Saturday fabrics. Yay! This is a group. They're all Italian. They're from a mill called Gruppo. I know I don't say this right. Gruppo Dondi. G-R-U-P-P-O-D-O-N-D-I. It's an Italian mill. It's one of the best mills in Italy. And they're all from that. They were all marked and labeled, so we're just passing them on. And we're excited. Italian fabrics are just the most quality fabrics, and they're just beautiful. How they use the fibers is amazing. So this is 100% cotton. It's a very fine whale corduroy. Very, very pretty, very light, very nice. So if you're an olive green person, put it in a little jacket. If you're not, put it in a pair of pants. Pair it with black. But olive green should be in everybody's wardrobe. All of these fabrics today we're going to do at $10.99 for Saturday. So just a way to say thank you to all of you. This is a red. This is a beautiful red. It's 100% viscose. It has stretch in both directions. It's like a pantoroma. Pantoroma is a knit. So it's like a panorama. They're just doing it with a viscose, and they're doing it with a stretch, and it's just beautiful. Beautiful. Pair it with, this would be a wonderful little vest. A little sleeveless long vest would be adorable in this. Little white shirt, red pants. So cute. This is, oh, I'm sorry. This is a, what is this? 100% cotton. It's a woven. You can see both sides are usable, so it's just adorable. This is a beautiful like slate color. It has more shine on one side than another. You could even use both sides and do like a jean jacket and have some shiny and some matte. I think it looked like two coordinating fabrics. But anyway, it's really, really beautiful. It is a cotton poly. Slate is one of our base colors that are really popular right now. Pair it with this beautiful shirting. This is a cotton poly. It's a stretch woven. As far as shirtings go, it's just lovely. Both sides, I mean, it is a beautiful hand of a fabric. It's really, really nice. And then I love this. It's 100% cotton. I just love this. Look at this. It has the holes all in it. This looks like my kids' shirts. I've always tried to put holes, but they never quite look like these holes. I just love it. 100% cotton, has stretch in one direction, has stretch in both directions. I just lied. Not so much that way, but this way more so. And it's just so cute. Compare the gray with the red. Just go for it. Just a little new collection Saturday morning, all from Italy, and all for $10.99. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.